Are you looking for the best weeding tool in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best weeding tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Grandpa's Weeding Tool. That's an appropriate description for Grandpa's weeder. The handle is 45 inches long, so you can spare your back and knees when removing those unsightly weeds from your garden. This weeding tool removes weeds' roots and all with one simple motion, and with the roots gone, the weeds won't grow back as fast. Grandpa's weeder is the original weeder that has been keeping yards tidy since 1913. If you have a weed problem but worry about using chemicals around pets and children, then this is the weeding tool for you. It has been designed to last, so you'll save money on expensive and toxic chemicals. Up next in the 4th place is the CobraHead Original Weeding Tool. The best weeding tools are those designed by serious gardening enthusiasts, and this CobraHead Original Weeder has been built by gardeners with many years of hands-on gardening experience. This one features a cobra-like head that is very simple to use, which is a bonus for everyone from gardening pros and beginners alike. The tempered steel blade cuts right through the soil to lift and remove even the most stubborn weeds, and the recycled plastic hand is easy to grip whether you are left or right-handed. You'll love this simple, yet effective weeding tool, and you'll make short work of getting your garden neat and tidy again. The 3rd product on our list is the Butler Rocket Weeder. Butler Rocket Weeder is that it is environmentally friendly. That means no nasty chemicals, and you'll get a great result when clearing your garden of those nasty botanical invaders. No more pulling up parts of the weed. This baby enables you to get a firm hold on the entire weed, so you can pull it cleanly out of the ground, roots and all. The design is ergonomically comfortable in your hands, and the long handle means your back doesn't need to bear the brunt of all that strain. Made from powder-coated steel and solidly constructed, this weeding tool turns a weekend job into child's play, so you can relax and enjoy the rest of your precious time off. Durable and built to last, you can pull all your weeds in short time and eject the weeds for hands-free garden maintenance. Second on our list is the Radius Garden 205 Pro Ergonomic Stainless Steel Weeder. If you are looking at an all-round weeding tool, choose one that a professional gardener would use. This Radius Garden 205 Pro Ergonomic Stainless Steel Weeder almost does all the work for you. The blade is made from super strong stainless steel, and the resin-encased carbon steel shaft are durable enough to tackle even the largest gardens in a short amount of time. The natural Radius O handle grip is ergonomically designed and patented, so you can get your hands around it without pressure or straining those delicate joints, and the extra wide, elevated step gives you all the leverage you need to really dig deep into the weed beds for quick and easy removal. This is a premium pick weeding tool when you want to garden like a pro. Finally, the top product on our list is the Gardena 18-28 Hand Patio Weeder Combi System. Weeds in garden beds and lawns are a nuisance, but because they blend into their surroundings, they're barely noticeable until you get up close. But when they rear their ugly heads in walls, patios, and walkways, they're downright hideous to look at. That's when you need a tool like this Gardena 18-28 Hand Patio Weeder Combi System. This weeding tool is made from high-quality steel that is rust-resistant and tough enough to last you a lifetime. It will remove all types of weeds in the cracks and crevices around your home. And if you don't like the idea of bending or stretching, you can attach this weeding tool to a Combi System extension handle for those hard-to-reach places where weeds appear. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.